What's good, yeah, this is SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with a video.
After months and months and months.
Not another video because we've been gone for so long,
Yeah.
but we're back with a video. So guys, if you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we've been gone for so long because we've been trying to move. We've been trying to figure out life as a married couple, and that's just what it's been. We've been trying to move. We've been trying to figure out life, and we both work a lot. So with that being said, you guys know why you are here, why we are here. We have officially moved. Yay! Are you happy? Are you excited?
I'm so excited, I don't know what to say. Let's put it like that.
Yeah, he was so nervous to get on this camera. He's like, babe, I ain't been on the camera so long. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do.
Guys, I felt like, you know when we first started using video?
Yeah.
First video, like
yeah, I was
a couple years ago. That's what I feel right now. Cause I ain't vlogged or did nothing in months, bro. So when she said we finna vlog, I'm like, vlog right now?
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, we can't settle down. She's like, hell no. But I'm like, alright.
Cause guys, I've been so like anxious to do these type of videos. Like these are the type of videos that I love to watch. It's like home videos, decor, organized and stuff like that. So I was like, yes, let's do a what is it, unfurnished or
empty apartment tour.
Yeah, empty apartment tour. Right now we are standing in our apartment that we have. We don't have,
comment down below.
It's not a luxury apartment, but it's really
We're
nice.
gonna make it into a luxury apartment.
We're gonna make it look a luxury. Trust me, I'm gonna make it look luxury. Okay, period, poo. So babe, when you start seeing all them Amazon packages and when you start, don't say nothing, just let me be in my moment, let me be in my box, let me be in my decor bag, okay? Cause trust me, y'all, I got a whole bunch of stuff in my Amazon cart, period.
Okay, so before we do anything, make sure you guys like and subscribe.
I forgot about that.
So that YouTube can push the video out to more people. We gonna start saying that more.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna start from the front door. We're gonna make our way around. I'm gonna be the cameraman. She's gonna be the the whatever you are.
I'm gonna be the spokesperson.
Yeah. So
okay.
Let's get it.
Okay guys, so as you all can see, I am standing at our front door. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to show y'all the outside or anything.
Yeah, they don't open nothing.
And yeah, so this is our front door. Boom. And to the left, when anybody walks in to the left, it's like a closet here. This is like a coat closet or like utility closet, like as far as like if you, because we have carpet, so like the vacuum, we'll put it in here, like the broom and stuff. If we don't have room in there, we'll put it in here. So this is what it looks like. It has like a lot of space, guys. Like I said, this is our first apartment together, so this is enough space for us right now.
Shit, very.
This is enough space. We have like a little rack up here. I can put like some little yeah, I've been watching the home edit a lot. And they have these little baskets that, you know, you can put stuff in here and like make it decorative. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, we have this little coat closet here. So whenever anybody comes, they want to take out their coat or whatever, we'll hang it up in here. We'll put some hangers in here as well, just in case if they, you know, do want to put it. If they don't, whatever, it's fine. Don't care. Don't matter. And then once you step from the front door, immediately you will step into our dining area. So right now,
I'm gonna step back a little bit just to show her how big it is.
I really like how these lights look up here, y'all.
Yeah.
Those look
Which
really
we probably we gonna change them. It's a maybe, guys. I know it look white, bluish kind of. I'm colorblind, so bear with me, but it's kind of yellowish.
Yeah.
Technically, so.
If we can change them, then probably. But if not,
Dining area right here, nice little size. Where is she standing, guys? I'm thinking about setting up my little game set right there. I don't know. Somewhere over here. It's probably the only place I think I'll put it.
So this is the dining room area. This here is like the, what she said, it's the water heater thingy?
Yeah, that water, yeah.
This doesn't open. I'm pretty sure.
It can open, but it's gonna, yeah, but it's gonna always remain closed for the most part.
So that's that. This is our dining room area. And then you'll step, as soon as you come in the dining room area, you have no choice but to look at this area here. This right here, I'm thinking of putting like our wedding photo here maybe or something. I don't know. But this is just like a little desk area. Like it's just a display area. I wouldn't put like laptops or anything here because it's so close to the door. Yeah. So this is like something I'll put like vases or pictures or something like that right here. So once you come from here, you step immediately into our big old living room.
Very big.
So the type of couch we have, we have a sectional. So it's connected. We don't have like a regular couch where you have a piece here and a piece here. Our couch is connected. So we were thinking to like maybe, I don't know, put the couch here and then the TV will be up here. So this is how big it is. It's like a really, really
yeah, it's bigger than what I thought it was.
It's really bigger than what we thought it was, honestly. It's a really nice space. So this is the living room. Right here is our window to look outside. I'm thinking of putting like a ceiling to floor curtain here just so it'll make it look longer. I'll put it here above this right here, and then this is the back door to our balcony. Which I'm not gonna open it to show it because you know it's everybody apartments and stuff there. But it's a nice size balcony. We could probably put like 2 chairs and a table if we ever want to go sit out there and just enjoy the cool breeze. We'll put just like 2 chairs and like a little table. That's that. So once you step from the living room, you will step into the kitchen. We gotta sweep. Oh, I hate walking on the bare floor. You can see me on my little side of my toes. I hate walking on the floor. So once you step from the living room, you will step into the kitchen. So this is how the kitchen looks. So we have brown cabinets, and that's what we have. We have a lot of cabinets. We have this right here. We have these above the refrigerator.
So they're not open though.
Huh?
I don't think everything open.
What you mean?
Well, I could be wrong. Never mind. I'm never mind. Ignore me.
Oh, I would say hold up.
Ignore me. I know these are open though.
Which one? No.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of cabinet space.
Yeah, a lot.
Stuff. Growing up in the hood, y'all, I used to live in the hood. We'll put like the box cereals up here on top of the refrigerator, and then put like some noodles and stuff up there. Put some cereal.
We ain't doing that because you ain't gonna reach it.
I ain't gonna reach for that. No, I'm not doing that. And we have a nice size cabinet counter space.
It's a lot of space.
This is a lot of space. So guys, at first I didn't know how I felt about the brown cabinets and the black appliances, but stepping into the apartment, it does look pretty nice. I would have preferred for the other one that we was going for because it had white cabinets and stainless steel, like silver appliance. But you know,
money wise, we're gonna take what we get.
We're gonna get this one, but it's really nice. It does look nice. I like it. We have a lot of cabinets. Okay. We have a lot of cabinets.
Jot that down. We're gonna write that down.
So for the pots and stuff, oh, that goes all the way in there. Okay. So that's nice. Yup. We got an oven. Okay, oven clean. Come on, clean oven. This is like granny oven. Yeah, it's really
Of course, everybody should know every apartment, unless you live in some rich apartment, they come with what's it called?
Gas.
Yeah.
Or electric. It's like the plate, the glass top. I like the glass top, how that looks, and then I like the gas because I'm used to gas stoves. Because Granny have a gas stove. But yeah, and then we got a microwave clean. All right, don't make sure it smells like a new microwave. So that's the microwave. That's dishwasher. All right, dishwasher clean. Okay, they just ran it.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Refrigerator. Okay, we got another side. Oh yes. Okay, I can get with it.
I mean, it's alright. What you mean? Guys, she's talking about getting a deep freeze. I'm like, deep freezer for what?
Because I'm so used to like how mama shop, like she shop to last for like months, okay? Like she buy a bunch of meat and she put it in deep freezer so that way we ain't gotta go buy no meat.
Pause on the meat. Pause.
She gonna get all the meat she want from the I'm just so used to the way mama shop. Mama shop, when she goes to the grocery store, she get majority of the meat and then she gets some, you know, side dishes, some stuff to go with it. So that way throughout the week, if we need like side dishes and stuff, we just get the side dish. We ain't gotta really worry about meat. Cause
we bought different, cause me guys, if I say I apartment by myself, that it's gonna be empty, cause I shop I shop for like 2 days. All right, come on,
Javon
whatever.
literally shops day by day. That's how he shops. I
Yup.
don't like shopping like that because I don't like.
Because I don't like to buy stuff for weeks, and then what if we don't use it? So that's what stuff get wasted. To me.
That's why you gotta buy stuff like, as far as fruit and stuff, you gotta buy it to last for like 3 days. This is our pantry here, guys. That's a lot of space. A lot of space. Okay. I can fit in here. Close the door.
You damn sure can't fit in here.
Alright, you can let me out now. You He's gonna kick me in there. So that is the pantry. I can literally fit in here. Period.
I can fit in there too.
Go.
Bro, I can fit in here. You trying to play me, bro.
Javon said he can fit in there. Look, he almost knocked himself out.
Don't try to play me, bro. Don't try to play me, bro. You think I'm gonna stop?
So yes, guys, this is the kitchen. This is my hubby. Say hi, because they have not seen you on this camera. Okay, take the rest away.
Take what the rest of it.
Take it away.
Alright, we're gonna speed the Gonzalez now.
Look at him.
So guys, you guys see we got somebody got 2-headed sink, you know what I'm saying?
That fool said 2-headed sink.
Water running. What is this?
That's just, oh yeah, you ain't never had one of them, huh, baby? I like that thing.
We got these don't open. These don't open. We got these 2 little joints in here. We got
You gotta put that in there.
talk to them about that.
Mm-hmm.
And then yeah, journey with us.
Journey with us.
Trash can.
Valet trash.
Guys, valet trash. All my life living, I ain't never had no valet trash.
I ain't never had valet.
I used to take my trash out by myself.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all, he asked the people, he said, is there any way we can take the trash out ourselves? Because I think valet trash was $35.
Yeah, you gotta pay to take your own trash out, bro.
Yeah.
Like, what? But you know, we gonna, I mean, it's cool.
Bennett is all about the Benjamins, honey.
Yeah, what? Guys, I was trying to get that rent as cheap as possible. And then yesterday, when we were talking to the lady, she was saying that this same apartment is what, $300 more?
Yeah.
$300 more than what we got for. We literally sniped it. Like Call of Duty, sniped it. Alright, journey with us. Let me going at this have a light?
Yeah. That has a light.
So I checked the can I see the bedroom yet?
Can I see the bedroom yet?
Oh yeah, come on, people know. This is a giant washer. Washer, dryer. You see me?
Where's the
Washer. Washer. Dryer. This literally the same dryer, washer I have.
It's
There.
good.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure I clean on everything, well the slip on everything. Yeah, it look alright. Look alright. What's up on here?
We got a light in there, period.
Yeah, light coming there. Where you put it? But yeah, it's a lot of room, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody should know this work. You put whatever in here, anything to wash clothes, dishwasher, so. Yeah.
I love all the space.
Close that up. That's that guy in the bathroom, though.
It's right here in the hallway.
The bathroom not in the hallway.
No, I'm talking about this baby.
But I said bathroom, though.
Okay, my bad.
I gotta talk on your
You talk.
Come. Go ahead.
Yeah, turn it down.
Go ahead. Thank you for the show. As you guys can see, pretty decent. What's this? I didn't see this.
Really?
I didn't see this last time. Last time I see one sink. That's all we need, right?
Yep.
One sink. All the jars and of course everything is growing or whatever color you don't want to call it. Oh yeah, you want to see?
Huh?
Spacing.
Yeah.
This is the one, box and white. Lights. Every light that work.
Every night that
Oh,
work.
you didn't see no. Oh, we don't see this every time.
You didn't see this?
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, this is the first thing I went into.
I didn't see this.
Mm-hmm.
With towels and stuff. It's really
Yeah.
pretty large space for that too. And then of course, not the main magic, but you know, side magic happening in there too.
Who said side magic?
It's pretty big. You can't look here and sleep like, oh shit.
Oh.
You can't look here and sleep nice. Like, I don't need the air, you can't sleep.
Oh.
You can't tell you to sleep in here, sir, brother. Can't tell you to sleep in here, sir. That's what we need.
Oh.
Tight, you know, where
Dale.
happened. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ooh.
This gonna be my bed. Wait, guys, that's all the time that look. I mean,
The toilet.
Yeah, with us.
Enjoy it with us. Oh, he didn't turn it.
All right, guys. This is where all the magic. As everybody said, this is where all the magic happened. But me, I said this is where all the madness happened. You know, I said magic. I said madness. Craziness, isn't it? Journey with a fire.
You get on my nerves.
Wow, kind of like. All right. Short walk on there before we start talking. Kind of thing. You see me? As you guys can see, the bed just forward. Bed is very big. When I say big, it is very big. Very big. But they gonna show them around, I'm going to see what I'm going. And I'm saying a nice ceiling fan. As you know, me I have my ceiling fan everywhere me go. AC can't do it for me. Guys, I'm gonna say America hot. It's hot. AC alone can't do it for me. We need a fan, ceiling fan, and a standing fan, and AC. We need all three. All three of them need. You see me? But yeah, I say the room is medium size.
Yeah.
Medium size. I mean, it's okay. Just like that crackhead over there want to get a big ass.
Oh, babe, I didn't think it was gonna take up this big old space.
Yeah, this is a king size, bro.
I mean, it'll be enough room for both of us, though.
Feel nice, them floor really nice. Really nice, and then of course outside. Can't show you what side.
I want to put the same curtains up.
Sorry,
The
man.
ceiling to floor, yeah.
Wow.
Ooh.
I mean, wow. I mean,
Yes,
it's perfect. To me, it's perfect size, but this, she wanted something bigger.
I would have appreciated a little bit bigger.
But I mean, it's big enough. I think there's a little dust right there. We have to clean off, but it's big enough. What you guys think? It's cool to me. It's big enough, but to me, it's big enough. It's bigger than what I had before.
So which side is yours, babe?
Which side?
Yeah, which side is yours?
I mean, it don't matter. You can have this side.
I can have this side because they got a lot of shelves.
Yeah, I can have this side. But yeah.
Okay.
Get one more look. Get them one more look. Get them one more look. It's not for light them, guys, because they know it's a light bill.
Facts.
Summertime and light bill expensive. Expensive. And yeah, nothing there right there, so.
Yeah, nothing right there.
And then yeah, far.
Five.
Sorry about that, it's in the far. And yeah, guys, that's. I think we catch everything. Let me know what you guys think. To me, I think it's perfect. Especially for our first apartment, it's perfect. Perfect size. It's bigger than what I thought it would be. Especially in the living room.
Yeah, I like the living room.
It's like kind of circular around. Okay. So.
Back to the queen teams. That's it, right?
Who you heard that from? You ain't heard that from me.
I don't know who I heard that from.
Oh.
I can't wait for everything to come in, like the couch. We get everything delivered today. We're starting fresh with everything.
Take that back. We don't get everything delivered.
What?
I mean, we get everything delivered as far as like bed, set, and chair, but this apartment is still gonna be pretty empty for a long while.
Which time, as far as like dining room and stuff?
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
Oh, we gotta see dining room.
Yeah.
But the main stuff, the bed, the living room stuff, we still need to go find. We're still looking for coffee tables and end tables. I think I found one that we both like, but we're still looking for those. We're still looking for a dining room set. I'm not sure if we're gonna get nightstands for the room because the bed is so big. Hey, I just want my space. That's it. But yeah, so we still. Oh, and we need we ordered a TV stand. It's coming in the mail. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. We are so excited to be starting YouTube back. We just needed more space, and we just needed, a fresh start to start back. So yeah, this is our fresh start. We're going to end the video here. We hope you all like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.